So essentially today on behalf of the Biju Janata Dal, there were several demands that were placed before in the all-party meeting. As you all know that our Honorable Party President Shri Naveen Patnaik ji has been unanimously elected as the chairperson of the Biju Janata Dal Parliamentary Party. So he is very much part of the process of the Parliamentary Party of the Biju Janata Dal now. Apart from that, there were 3 or 4 major issues that was raised by the BJD today on the floor of the all-party meeting. Odisha has been deprived of the special category status for more than 2 decades. Biju Janata Dal has been constantly demanding for the special category status for Odisha. In the all-party meeting, we had political parties from Bihar and Andhra Pradesh also demanding special category status for their respective states. Biju Janata Dal has demanded for special category status for Odisha. We join issue with our other counterparts from other states as well, who feel there is a similar need required for their respective states. The second issue is the non-revision of the coal royalty for the state of Odisha over the last 10 years. In terms of rural housing, more than 20 lakh houses have not been provided to the state of Odisha. In terms of tribal development, more than 162 communities are deprived of the ST list. The coastal highway of Odisha has not been built so far. In terms of connectivity, railways, highways, telecom, digital and banking, these are services that are still deprived from the state of Odisha in many measures. And one of the key areas, this is about federalism, and we did raise the issue about the declining central transfers of funds to states and the need to actually work towards it. So one of the issues that we raised was that the governor of Odisha, his son, had assaulted an ASO who is a staff in the Raj Bhavan. And despite the governor's son of Odisha, the governor of Odisha's son, assaulting the staffer inside the premises of the Raj Bhavan, an FIR being filed, medical examination being done, no action being taken so far by the state police is extremely shocking. That the rule of law today is not being followed by the state of Odisha and its government.